What is the MOMO strategy and how to use it on the Binomo platform? Hi YouTube, watch this video. In the world of trading, there are several types of traders and various strategies they can use. We are all different and we have to determine what works best for us. Today, we present a great strategy for short-term traders who expect quick results. This is known as the MOMO strategy. Setting graphics. Before you apply a certain type of strategy, you must prepare your chart. Log in to your Binomo trading account and select the asset you want to trade in the session. For the MOMO strategy, I suggest major currency pairs. The next step is to choose a chart type and time frame. It should be set for 5 minutes. Now, the MOMO strategy requires you to attach two indicators to the chart. The first is the simple moving average and the second is the moving average convergence divergence. Click on the indicator icon and find it. Then, change the SMA period to 20. MECD settings remain as default 12, 26, and 8. MOMO strategy in the trading. You will use the MOMO strategy to trade trend reversals. First, you will determine the trend with the SMA, which is the line that plots the price. Then, you will catch the momentum with MECD, which is visible below the price chart in the form of a histogram. The bar appears around the center zero line. MOMO strategy for short traders. Look at the graph. The price bar should be formed above the simple moving average line and the MECD should show a positive value. You are now waiting for an identifiable trend reversal moment when the price crosses the SMA 20. From above and the MECD turns negative or has been negative since the previous 5 candles. Open short positions for about 15 minutes, which is the duration of 3 candles. MOMO strategy for the long trade. At first, the price bars will appear below the SMA line and MECD should have a negative reading. Then, the price moves above the SMA and MECD moves to the positive area simultaneously or has existed since the previous 5 candles. This is when you want to open a long transaction, keep it open for the 3 candles EI for 15 minutes. Conclusion. Momentum traders can use the MOMO strategy to open both short and long trades. This strategy helps identify trends thanks to observing the simple moving average and assessing momentum with the moving average convergence divergence. Trade major currency pairs on the 5-minute chart. Analyze carefully because no strategy guarantees you will make a profit. False signals occur, so be careful when you enter and exit your trades. With the MOMO strategy, your transaction will last for 15 minutes. Binomo offers a free demo account where you can test how the strategy works without worrying about losing money. Choose an asset, plug the SMA and MACD to the price chart, and see how MOMO suits you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.